Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert an image as a data in Excel app from your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile I just open Excel application, so I just want to create a blank workbook. So this workbook is totally blank. I want to from picture to data. So how to convert from my book? I want to convert the picture to data. What I have to do here? So on top you will find option called the A and pencil button. Just click the A and pencil button. You will get a home button, that is your menu bar will be open here in the downside. Just click the home and just go to insert. Once you go to insert, there will be a table, photo and data from picture. So just click a data from picture and you will find your camera and switched on over here. So this is my data. So as you see, so from my book I'm going to take a data. So I just click a snapshot. Once I click a snapshot, the snapshot will be open here. So as you see here, so just I can crop and keep it. This is the data I need from image to the data. So I just click here for the confirm. Just click here for the confirmation. Just click confirm. So automatically my file, that is my JPG, will be extracting from image to table. So you don't want to type anything. From image to table, everything will be added here. So as you see here, so object method, viewpoint, objects, box, cone, everything will be there. So box, cone and sphere, everything will be there as thing. I just want to click here for the insert. There will be an insert option here. Just click the insert option and 100 item you need to review. So just open anyway. Once you click open anyway, your entire data, the picture data will be converted as a data. You can type and check it out. See the beautiful option. So that Excel has the power data from picture. So whatever picture you have, you can grab the picture and you can convert as a data. This is a beautiful option. So you can type and you can get all kind of analytics data from your mobile phone itself. So without mobile phone you can create a different kind of data, but with the mobile phone you can create this kind of informative method using your mobile phone itself. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.